Understanding equivalency in cable assemblies. Now, we'll touch more on the actual meaning of equivalency in cable assemblies and how that helps our customers. When it comes to looking at substitutions or an equivalent, what we want to consider is the different components or the cable anatomy. The first thing is the bulk wire. That's typically one of the easiest to cross. Our customers know a lot more about the application than us, so we typically work with our customers to better understand what they're trying to do and what the design goals and requirements are before we can recommend an appropriate substitution. Typically, the bulk cable is the first place we look at to save time and money for our customers with equivalents. The next thing that we'll look at are the connector housings and crimp terminals. There are situations where Epec has an existing equivalent or substitution that is a form-fit function drop-in replacement. There's other times that our equivalent may meet most of the performance requirements, but because of the cost or timeline needs of our customers, it's an attractive solution for our customers. The last thing that we can help substitute and recommend an alternate for is the actual overmold material itself. Most of the time, this comes to the surface when our customers send us requirements where they're making an overmold by hand using a two-part potting or epoxy compound. A lot of times, those off-the-shelf two-part mixtures are expensive. Sometimes they're volatile or have toxic issues in mixing them. So what we'll recommend doing is actually using our standard thermoplastic material that can chemically bond to the bulk wire. So in terms of substitutions, bulk wire, connector housings, and crimp terminals are the most common, and on occasion, we can recommend a substitution for the overmold. But typically, we're just going to recommend our standard thermoplastic material.